Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add any stock or any crypto to your watch list on Webull application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Webull application on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and and sign up to create your account. Of course, if it's your first time using the application, you will need to create your account, but if not your first time or if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into the tutorial. So here I'm just going to open my Webull application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. Here, as you can see, that will be actually my home or my main screen, and of course, as you can see, I already have one stock here on my watch list. So if you want to actually add anything to your watch list, of course you can click here at add symbol and type here the symbol name, or even click at screeners, then look from stocks or from option. Of course you can create a new one, but we don't want to do that now. We would like to go here to markets and choose from United States markets, from cryptos, or even from global. You can choose whatever suits you. So let's use an example like Bitcoin. So how can I actually add that to my watch list? So all I need to do, just go and click on this icon right here. After clicking on that, I can actually even add a note. So maybe like buy on 2025 like that or something. Then click add save. So after you click on save, actually, if you go back, then go to your watch list, then refresh, you will actually need to find it. Okay, I didn't find it. Maybe I make something wrong. So let me just go back to markets, click on this again, then click on that, and we actually save it, right? Sorry. After that, you'd like to go to watch list, then you will need to click here at add symbol, then type the BTC that you just add. Of course, where is it? That is our BTC. And actually, just go and click at the heart icon at the top right corner here. So if you click on that, now it should actually be there. Yeah, as you can see, here is it in your watch list now. So sorry, you shouldn't actually come here and like this is just to add some notes. You will need actually to click at the heart icon at the top right corner. Sorry for the mistake. So this will be actually for the video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and goodbye.